Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow automation. And in this automation, this is very simple one. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the column B and identifying the row number 2 where the heading says current position. And if any of the changes are made in this column, like if someone selects a drop down and selects drag director. So what this will do, so whichever row you are selecting on, it's going to use the selected cell where it's actually the tab name. As you can see, team member, ATM, trainer, team leader, team 1, 2, shift manager, and director. So these are all the tab names. So if I will select any of the tab name in here, so let me select ATM in here. So what this will do, the code will copy the whole row. As you can see, the whole row has been copy pasted into the ATM tab. Here you can see the next available row is 5. So if I'll go back to the main tab and I'll assign this, maybe this is a task or something. So if I'll allow, click on this and go to the ATM tab, here you will see the row has been added in this here as well. So this is how you can assign the task from one team member to another and then cascade it down the line or upward. And then once it's finalized, you can always shift it. So this way it will keep a track at that when the task was assigned to that person. What we can do another thing that we can always have the copy paste, like copy the whole row and transfer it into the other tab, and we can always remove it from here as well. So we can discuss if you are available to discuss further functionalities. I'm open to discuss and I'm here to help. Thank you so much for your attention. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.